This is Car Guys Talk with Andrew and Tavarish.
You are a proponent, a fan of this one thing, and
Okay.
it is a Pops and Crackles tune on a car.
Yes.
So I am. Let's just segue into a segment in which we argue for a bit. Segwayment. In which we argue for a bit.
Okay.
And
Pops and Crackles are cool. You're wrong. Shut up.
I'm going to tell you
stupid.
why you're wrong. But you have a Pops and Crackles tune on your Ford Focus ST.
That is correct.
And it is obnoxious.
You think it's obnoxious?
No, it's obnoxious. Like in every sense of the word, it is absolutely obnoxious.
Okay.
It is it's not subjective anymore.
No, it is totally subjective.
No, it's objectively obnoxious.
It's subjectively.
No, it's obnoxious.
Yeah.
But I think you like that. I think when you have that Pops and Crackles tune, I think you look around to see if you have any people giving you applause.
I literally do not.
No?
Nope.
Live for the applause. That's not you? No? Okay.
No.
Okay. In any case, the reason why cars have Pops and Crackles was derived from race cars.
Yes.
Back in the day,
Yes.
when they were slowing down after a run,
Sure.
that would cool down their engine.
Correct.
Because they would have a burst of fuel going out of the exhaust, and it would cool down their charge.
Right.
Your car is not a race car.
Okay.
Why do you need that?
Because it sounds cool.
Right, but it first of all, it makes your car less efficient.
I didn't buy a hybrid, so I don't care about efficiency.
No, but it's not that you don't care about. But I'm saying it makes your engine necessarily like you're wasting more fuel.
Okay.
Okay.
Don't care.
Okay. It doesn't sound as good as you think it does.
I think it sounds fantastic.
So I tend to think that it sounds good when it's a natural byproduct of the engine and not when you're like trying to do this with ECU tuning to make it sound like this. It's exactly the same thing as Ford pumping in air intake noises. Or no, it's not even that. It's when BMW gives a synthetic sound through the speakers because their engines are too quiet. That's what I think it is. It's like you're manufacturing just a little bit more oomph where there really isn't any.
Okay. Yeah, I know that.
Okay. So why do you like it?
Because I like it.
Okay. Can you elaborate on that? Because I like it. Why?
Because I want my car to make race car noises.
But it's not a race car. Like it's.
Who are you to say that? Who are you to say that it's not a race car?
I've seen that car in a dyno. It is not a race car, sir.
Still made way more horsepower than your Super did.
Listen, this numbers aren't important, okay, man?
Also, it runs.
Okay, Super runs too.
Cool. Get like jogs, lethargically jogs.
I'm gonna stretch that word a bit. So, but I just think that a lot of manufacturers nowadays have this Pops and Crackles thing just built in.
Yeah,
and
because it's awesome.
I think it's a fad. I think in 10 years it's not going to age well.
Okay.
So
the cool thing is, in 10 years, if it's not aging well, I can turn it off.
Well, the cool thing is, in 10 years, you just have to replace all your valves because it'll burn them up. And
I doubt it.
Yeah,
I doubt it.
No, actually, it won't. It won't do that because it's on the overrun. It's not under. In any case, I think that if you had your car stock, does it have a little bit of that?
It does. It's more of a burble and less of a pop.
Okay, so if you had, like, would you have that more loud if you could?
No, I think it's at a good point now.
It's pretty extreme.
Oh yeah.
Let me.
Hence the name Extreme Pops and Crackles.
Okay.
It's
so we don't have a clip for you, but I'm just gonna do a reenactment of what it sounds like.
Okay.
Okay.
I mean, I have a video on my phone, but I'd rather hear this.
Oh, okay.
No.
Well,
Go ahead.
Okay. Well, I'll do mine,
Yes.
and then we'll play the video.
Yes.
You cue up the video, and I'll do it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Wait, I forgot the. That's basically what it sounds like all the time in your car. And now let's listen to what it actually sounds like.
That's two-step. Give it a size two-step. Okay, here we go.